School bus getting gas. In our town, we have a propane fleet. They converted the fleet to propane. They took their diesel pumps and their gas pumps away and replaced them with propane fueling stations. They have one gasoline van, which is that wheelchair van, and they have seven diesel full-size school buses that they use for longer charters. So those 7 diesel full-size buses and now one gasoline van, they use the local gas stations to fill up whenever they need it. I believe the city's next thing is to start transitioning to electric. That's the biggest thing with this city. Even furthermore, past the school buses, the municipal fleet as well is going all electric. I see the public school system, they have a couple e-transits in the fleet now. And the city wants us to go start transitioning our fleet to electric. Right now we have 2 XE40s on order right now, I believe, for next year. That's gonna replace 177 and I think they said 174 or 176. They're gonna replace one of the 2010 Gilligs and 177 with those 2 electrics. 177 as good and as fast as she is, she has a lot of mechanical issues. It's something every couple of days with that bus. And 176 and 174 are due for retirement because they are 16 years old right now. And 174, we use it for training. We haven't had a class in a long time. We're fully staffed. So that bus just sits with the training cones on it. And 176 is currently getting new interior lights because only 1 or 2 of them work. So, yeah. The 76 want to fix, but they also want to keep it because 76 is kind of our go-to bus. That bus is a tank. It's just super reliable. It's pre-emissions. That bus hardly ever breaks. Even if it does break, it's just like wear items like the chain on the wheelchair lift went on it. Those exterior lights that were probably going to go eventually because they were the original ones from 2010. Just stuff that wear out on the bus. That's the only thing. But you know, nothing mechanically. It's mechanically just an awesome bus, and maintenance loves it. But we can't use it too often. She has 600,000 miles on it, which isn't too bad. I just hope they fix the lights and it comes back soon. I'm just hoping it comes back soon because I want to drive it again. I haven't driven that thing in like 7 months. I haven't had it in like 7 months. I took it out on the coast like one morning. I love when they do that. That way if the light turns, I could just go. Nothing burning. Ooh, something burning. Smell it. Oh, he finally put his lights on. They weren't on before. You're welcome.